Byakuya and Jiraiya on the train.
Yeah.
And you guys were there, and we didn't really talk to each other. That's the
That's a stupid part. Why didn't you just talk to each other?
You were talking to Kelly. I was too busy worrying about Fernando because he fucking fainted.
Yeah, I remember that he fainted. I don't know how he fainted though. He had a nosebleed.
I was slipping on, sitting on his lap, and then all of a sudden he fainted.
It's 5:34. Come on.
But that was wait. I think I seen you there.
Okay, I think she was in the same train as they were.
We were in the same train.
Yeah, we were in the same train.
We were right in front of her, and when he fainted,
but I was sitting.
We thought he was sleeping on your back, and then we saw that he fainted. And when he woke up, he had a nosebleed.
I was sitting next to Kelly on the train ride.
I was standing up, and that's the day I got in trouble because I thought I could go.
Yeah, we got in trouble like last year.
And my dad, because
she never told her.
I told my dad, but he has a terrible memory now, and he said he didn't say anything. I told and quote that I asked him if I can go, and he said yes. And then I was like, sweet. And then he was like, I do not remember you telling me anything.
Is that still recording?
It stopped like before, and then I just put it back again. Because you were still talking.
Oh.
Your face is like dumbfounded.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, we're ending this. Any last words? Any quotes? Anything?
I will kill you. Nah. Sasuke, you will never kill me because you have no hatred.
What about you, Naruto?
Oh wait,
Shippuden Naruto.
Fucking dumbasses.
Oh, and the shirt. The shirt has a saying.
Oh wait, I'm not supposed to be.
Close up.
I forget that.
Dub this America. And I'm out.
That was really ridiculous.
I know, I have no saying. Bye. Oh, I'm Naruto. Regular Naruto.
So she's the Shippuden?
Yeah, she's Shippuden.
I'm both the Shippuden and the original.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.